guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Brittany. Today is a Sunday fun day, and I am just going to be doing a day in the life vlog. As you guys saw, I made some cinnamon rolls for breakfast and made some coffee. Always got to start the day with coffee. And for today, we are going to just be hanging out around the house. We are going to go swimming for the first time this season. It has been in the mid-90s for a little over a week now here in Arizona. Josh worked really hard at getting the pool all ready for the kids to enjoy. So they are really excited to go into the pool. The water is still too cold for me. The water has to be like lukewarm. So it has to be like over 100 degrees for a few weeks before I can even get into the pool. I'm a baby when it comes to water, and it's going to be too cold for me. But I am going to be out there filming the kids and just watching the kids have a really fun time. Most of you guys know that we moved into this house in October, so this is going to be the kids' first time not only swimming for the season, but swimming in this new pool for the first time. So that's why they are extra excited. We did have a pool at our last house, but it did not have like a waterfall slide like this pool does. So they are really excited. But I did tell them they had to go clean upstairs, clean the rooms, the bathroom, the playroom. They have to get all of that cleaned before we're going to go out to that pool. So in this vlog, you are going to just see us on our typical day over the weekend. I'm going to do some cooking later. I'm going to make stuffed Italian shells for dinner, and then I'm going to make individual sized pineapple upside down cakes. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And then I do have some cleaning to catch up on. You can see there's still mess from the breakfast behind me. So I have some cleaning up to do. So you're going to get some cleaning motivation, cooking inspiration, and just a lot of fun in this vlog. So stay tuned, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Later, we are now finally getting ready to go in the pool. This is the swimsuit I am wearing today. The top is from Target. The bottoms are from Walmart. If you guys saw my swimsuit try on and haul, you guys would have seen these two items in that haul. So these two are one of the ones that I decided to keep. So there is the swimsuit. I'm looking real chunky today. It's the weekend and I didn't eat good, so I am bloated and swollen and need to get back on track. So why I'm in here is because I wanted to show you guys what sunscreen products we are currently using. That some of them are new, some of them we just bought recently for this season, some of them we have been using for years that I really recommend. This one I've been using for about a month now for my face. I use it every morning before I put my makeup on, or even if I don't wear makeup, I always put this on. So I use that for my face every single day. I love it that it's like this orangish color, but it is invisible when you put it on. It rubs in invisible and it doesn't leave that white film that normal sunscreen does. That's why I especially love this. And so the other day when I was at Walmart, I saw that they have the spray. So I bought this to use, you know, on my body when I'm going outside for the pool. So I bought this one for my body, and it's the same. It's invisible. It has a good scent to it too, which I like. So those are the two that I'm currently using that I love. This is what I used before I found this invisible daily defense. I used this one. This one's only 30 SPF. This one is 60 plus. It's clear. It says clear face, but it is white, and it does leave that white film. But it's oil free, breakout free. So since I started using this one, and this one was only like halfway used, I gave it to the kids to use, and they used this one on the daily. And then of course we have been using these forever as well. These are just like the sunscreen sticks. We have these for on the go, and it's really easy for Ronan to apply this like on his face, underneath his eyes before the pool, or just on the daily, so he uses that one as well. This is something new that I picked up at Walmart the other day. It is Coppertone Kids Clear Cool Blue Tint Rubs in Clear. So it's a gel sunscreen and not like a lotion. I don't like regular sunscreen lotions because they are so hard to get off your hands and they just leave that film. We've used this twice now. It rubs in pretty good. It still has that weird texture on your hands, but it rubs in good and it's clear. And so this is Ronan's. The other three kids, I'll just buy whatever spray I find. This is currently one that I have from last year, which is this sport sunscreen. It is only SPF 30. I thought I bought another pack of spray ones at Walmart the other day, but I can't find them, so I guess I didn't. So I'm gonna have to order more, but this is what we have on hand right now just from last year. So it's just a sport sunscreen, so I need to get one with higher SPF. But Ronan is allergic to whatever is in sunscreen spray, like aerosol sprays like this. Ronan's allergic to them. We found that out when he was around 6 months old or so. His face swelled up and it was just, he doesn't have trouble breathing, but his whole face around his eyes will swell up really bad. But we did find that this one, which is made by Hint, which makes water. I don't know if you guys know of Hint water, but they started making this sunscreen, and it doesn't contain the same ingredients that these spray ones do. So he can actually use the Hint spray sunscreen, and it will not puff him up or give him allergic reaction. So he has to have special ones. So either Hint one, or he needs to have a lotion, and that's why I wanted to try this gel one, just to see if it's a bit better than the lotion, because the Hint one I can't find in all stores. It's cheaper on Amazon, so that's where we usually buy it. But I just kind of wanted to share what sunscreens we are currently loving and currently using. First time on the water slide! Yep.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm battling like a dog.
Probably. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's your one. Okay. Wow, yeah.
Go, Emma.
I got some in my eyes.
Yay.
I'm gonna go in the water. I'm going again. I'm gonna go get it and turn that way though.
Thank you, babe, for getting this pool ready for the kids. Everyone say thank you, Daddy, for getting the pool ready.
Thank you, Dad, for getting the pool ready. This is huge.
The water is freezing, in case anybody wanted to know. It is so cold. The kids don't care, but just getting splashed is so cool. That's the new pool float that they got for Easter. It's the unicorn one. That one's gonna be cute.
This one's huge. Like it's all of
Babe, how deep is this pool?
Oh my goggles. I don't have any goggles.
So the pool is like 5.5 feet, so it's not like a big, huge diving pool, but perfect for the kids to go swim and just have fun. Winnie girl.
Should we just blow it up or
Winnie's outside, but she needs to go inside before she gets too hot. I don't think she likes the pool. She's never been in there yet, but she seems afraid of it. Yoshi's terrified of the pool. He hates the pool.
how do you blow us up?
What do we have here?
What was that thing? I don't know.
A nice concoction. It looks so summery.
It does. What's in it?
What do you have?
Oh, you didn't put anything else in there? Look at these dogs trying to get my drink. None for you. None for you, Yuki. Josh made me a drink.
You hit my head.
It's
Oh my God.
Tropicana Caribbean Sunset Juice, and you guys have seen me mention it, I'm sure, before, if not here on Instagram. This Smirnoff Tamarind vodka. It's a bit spicy, but mixed with a sweet juice. It is so good. I just spilled it. If you guys have not tried this vodka yet, and you guys like vodka or like tamarind candy and a little bit of heat, like, it's not crazy, it's not a lot, but if you guys like that, I highly recommend it. With a nice sweet juice, it is so good. Cheers to the first day of, it's not really the first day of summer, but the first day of swimming in the pool. really get the kitchen cleaned up. I know that you guys probably saw some clips of me cleaning, doing the dishes. The kitchen is still messy, it's still dirty, but it's 5:25 right now. The kids are still outside swimming. Josh is outside. Don't worry. The kids are being watched outside. I came inside to go ahead and start dinner. I'm going to make ricotta stuffed shells for dinner, and then some focaccia bread, which I showed in my grocery haul. So if you guys missed that, please check that video out. I'm going to make stuffed shells, focaccia bread, and green beans with almonds. That's going to be our Sunday night dinner tonight. And I was going to make mini or individual size pineapple upside down cakes. Since it's already almost 5:30 and I still have to get dinner done, I don't know if I'm going to get to those. I'm going to check the recipe and see how long they take. But right now I'm going to get started on cooking some stuffed shells. I'm not going to do like a cook with me in this video where you guys see the entire recipe and I tell you guys how to make it, but I will be sure to leave the recipe in the description box down below in case you guys are interested. Taste test the upside down pineapple cake. The kids already had theirs. They said it was really good. So taste test.
Yeah.
It's
good, huh?
That's good.
It's good. I don't think I'm going to eat all this 1.5. I think my eyes were bigger than my stomach, but
I am.
he is. But it is really good. And it was pretty simple, too. It was actually really simple because you just use boxed cake mix and then it makes it even easier. But I recommend this, and I will leave the recipe in the description box down below for you guys in case you guys want to try this for yourselves. It's really good.
It's a bit later now. It's about 10 o'clock. I just got done watching American Idol with Josh. We were watching it earlier with the kids, and we had some dessert, and then we paused it for a bit, and the kids went to bed. So we finished watching that, and now I'm here in my bathroom. I am going to take my makeup off and take a shower and head to bed. Today's Sunday, tomorrow's Monday, back for the busy week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Sunday vlog. And again, I thank you guys all for clicking on this video and watching our videos and supporting our channel. If you guys are new here, please subscribe to our channel and join our growing YouTube family. We would love to have you guys here. I hope everyone is doing well. We'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.